Hello students, good morning. All ready for our English class? Yes? Okay. So, the topic which we had learnt about was a born dreamer, right? And this lesson is about Dr. APJ Abdul Kalam, how he touched the height of success and what were the challenges he has to face as a child to reach his goal. What did he become in future? He became a scientist. He launched India's first missile and he became the 11th president of India, right? He had won many awards also, right? So now today we are going to do the writing of hard words, difficult words, then the word meaning. So be ready with your classwork copies, right? Today only writing work will be there along with explanation, right? So be ready with your classwork copies. Open up your classwork copies. Be ready with your pencil, eraser, right? Let's start. First of all, you are going to write down the chapter name. But before that, in this column over here, you are going to write down the date. You are going to write down today's date, right? What is my topic name? A born dreamer, right? And here we start with, you can mention second term. Okay. Or what you can do is, you can fold you have to continue in the same copy. You don't need to buy a new copy. Just fold it, make a triangle over here like this. And on this triangle like this, you can write down second term. So the first term and the second term can be easily identified, right? So you are going to make that triangle, fold the page into a triangle and write down second term. Ready? Yes. Write down the chapter's name. The chapter's name is A Born Dreamer. And as usual, leave one line and along the margin you are going to write down the dictation words, right? So this is my margin. This is my margin and along here I am going to write down dictation words, right? Correct? Now number 1. From here we start our dictation words. Okay. Now the first word that comes around is deter. Determination. While writing down the glossary, we'll come across the meaning of determination. Here you have to only focus on how to make the spelling, right? So what is the spelling of D? D-E-D. Ter. T-E-R. Ter. Me. M-I-Me. Ne. N-A. Ne. Ancient. T-I-O. Ancient. Determination. See how easy the spelling is. It is not at all difficult. You have only to focus on the sound. How you will focus? Now see. Repeat after me. D-E-D. Ter. T-E-R. Ter. Me. M-I-Me. Ne. N-A. Ne. Shun. T-I-O-N. Shun. So the whole spelling goes determination. Now when we repeat it, it becomes determination, right? So repeat after me. The word is determination. Next. Height. Heights. Heights. ऊंचाइयाँ. Heights. ऊंचाइयाँ. Now what is the spelling of heights? Heights. Heights. Right? Number 3. Rameswaram. Ra, R-A, Ra, Mes, M-E-S, Mes, W-A-R-A-M. Rameswaram. Ra, what is the spelling of Ra? R-A, Ra. Mes, M-E-S, W-A, Ram, R-A-M. So isn't it easy, children? Yes. Rameswaram. Rameswaram. Jainulabdin. Number 4. Jainulabdin. Jainulabdin. Again, see, focus on the sound. Jain, J-A-I-N, Jain, J-A-I-N, Jain, Nu, U, Lab, L-A-B, Din, D-E-E-N, Jainulabdin, right? Next. Efforts. Next spelling is efforts. E-F-F-O-R-T-S. Efforts. F. The sound of F. F. E-F. F-O-R for T-S. Efforts. See how easy the spelling is. Efforts. E-F-F for F-O-R-T-S. Efforts. Next. Opportunities. O-P-P-O-R-T-U-N-I-T-I-E-S. Opportunities. Now, Oppo. O-P-P-O, Oppo. R. Appor. Chew. T-U. Ni. N-I-T-I-E-S. Opportunities. Right? Yes. I am waiting for you to complete your words. By the way, the words written on the board are determination. D-E-D-T-E-R, ter, me, M-I, me, N-A, nation, T-I-O-N, shun. Determination. Heights. H-E-I-G-H-T-S. Heights. Rameswaram. R-A-Ra, M-E-S, W-A-R-A-M. Rameswaram. Jainulabdin. His father's name was Jainulabdin. So, J-A-I-N, Jain, U-L-A-B, Lab, D-E-E-N, Jainulabdin. Efforts. E-F-F-O-R-T-S. F. E-F for thus. Efforts. Opportunities. O-P-P-O-R-T-U-N-I-T-I-E-S. Opportunities. Right? So now if you have not finished your work, you can continue. Keep pronouncing the words. Write in good writing. Blue line to blue line. No dirty work. Read the spelling correctly. And note down the spelling correctly. Right? finished till here. Let's continue. Number 7. Declared. The word is declared. Right? D-E-C-L-A-R-E-D. Declared. Right? The next word. Permission. Permission. आज्ञा. Permission. Right? Realized. R-E-A-L-I-S-E-D. Realized. Realized. Next, scientist. S-C-I-E-N-T-I-S-T. Scientist. S-C-I-E-N-T-I-S-T. Scientist. Confidence. C-O-N-F-I-D-E-N-C-E. Confidence. C-O-N-F-I-D-E-N-C-E. Confidence. Encouraged. N-E-N-C-O-U-R-A-G-E-D. Encouraged. E-N-C-O-U-R-A-G-E-D. Encouraged. Yes, are you all writing? I am here. I did not go away. I was waiting for you to write your work. Right? So the first, number 7, the word written on number 7 is declared, permission, realized, scientist, confidence, encouraged. The next word, secondary. S-E-C-O-N-D-A-R-Y. Secondary. S-E-C-O-N-D-A-R-Y. Secondary. Hope you all are writing. Yes. Done, children? Shall I rub? Okay. Institute. The next word is institute. I-N-S. Institute. Institute. Which institute did APJ done? Madras Institute of Technology. INS. I-N-S. INS. T-I-T-T-U-T-U. T-E-T. Institute. Next. Technology. Technology. Tech. T-E-C-H. Tech. No, N-O, no. Lo, L-O, G-Y. Technology. Right? Organization. O-R-G-A-N-I-S-A-T-I-O-N. Organization. Now it is looking little big, but yes, the spelling is very easy. Let's make O-R, gun, G-A-N-I-Z-S-A-T-I-O-N. Yes, the spelling is so simple, right? Organization. Launch. L-A-U-N-C-H. Launch. Law. L-A-U-N-C-H. Launch. Aerospace. A-E-R-O. Aero. S-P-A-C-E. Aerospace. A-E-R-O. Aero. S-P-A-C-E. Aerospace. Awarded. Right? Awarded. Award. A-W-A-R-D-E-D. Awarded. President. P-R-E-S-I-D-E-N-T. President. P-R-E-S-I-D-E-N-T. President. Right? So the words written on the board are right from the top, that is number 14. Institute. Technology. Organization. Launch. Aerospace. Awarded. President. Right? Hope hope you all have completed. After the dictation words, we are moving on to the glossary, that is the word meaning. Let's write down word meanings now. Leave one line in the center, write down word meaning. Oblique glossary. Number 1. Soar. S-O-A-R. Soar. Fly high in the sky. APJ अब्दुल कलाम आसमान में उड़ना चाहते थे, है ना? So that means soar. He wanted to soar high. अब क्या क्या चीज उड़ती है आसमान में? एरोप्लेन्स उड़ते हैं, काइट उड़ती है. So when we say the kite is soaring high up in the sky, मतलब आसमान में ऊंची ऊंची जा रही है, right? So the word soar is used with the things flying in the sky. Next word. Determination. Determination. What is the meaning of determination? Focus. To focus on focus. You need to get something done. किसी चीज को खत्म करने के लिए जो फोकस लगता है, that means determination, right? So focus you need. Focus you need to get something done. कोई काम कंप्लीट करने के लिए जो फोकस लगता है, that is known as determination. दृढ़ निश्चय, right? Next word is odds. Odds, difficulties. Difficulties, परेशानियां. Odds, difficulties. Right? Opportunity. 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 Chance. मौका. Confident. Confident. Now what do you mean by confident? Being sure of your own abilities. हाँ मैं कर सकता हूँ, मुझे मालूम है मैं कर लूँगा. कई बार आप बोलते हो ना, नहीं मम्मी आप जाओ मैं ऐसा कर लूँगा. मम्मी बोलेगी नहीं आप नहीं कर पाओगे. नहीं मम्मी मैं कर लूँगा. That means you have your own confidence, right? So confidence, being sure of your own abilities. Being sure of your own abilities, right? अपनी काबिलियत पे भरोसा होना. That means confidence. Okay, so complete your work. I'm waiting for you. I'm here only. By the time all those who have completed can read the words along with me. Soar, fly high in the sky. Next word is determination. Focus you need to get something done. Odds, difficulties. Opportunity, chance. Confident, being sure of your own abilities, right? Hope your work is complete. Moving on to the next word. The next word is permission. What is the next word? Permission. What is the meaning of permission? Yes. To allow you to do your work. Right? So the next word is permission. Permission. Allow to do something. Allow to do something. Next, achieve. Get. Achieve, get. Launch. Launch. To send something. Into space. To send something into space. Next, missile. A weapon that explodes जो फट जाता है. एक्सप्लोड, बम फूटता है ना, आप बोलते हो बम फूटा मतलब बम एक्सप्लोडेड, राइट? सो एक्सप्लोड यानी फूटना. अ वेपन, हथियार जो एक्सप्लोड हो जाता है अपने टारगेट को मिलने के बाद. एक्सप्लोड्स ऑन मीटिंग इट्स टारगेट. एक वेपन दैट एक्सप्लोड्स, जो एक्सप्लोड हो जाता है अपने टारगेट को मिलने के बाद, राइट? नाउ द लास्ट वर्ड इज एरोस्पेस. Aerospace. Now what do you mean by aerospace? Engineering. Aerospace engineering. A branch of study. What is it? A branch of study that deals aircrafts and space. Yeah. Right? So aerospace engineering, it is a branch of study that deals with aircrafts and spacecrafts, right? So complete your work, I am waiting for you. So number 6, permission, allow to do something, achieve, get, launch, to send something into the space. Missile, a weapon that explodes on meeting its target. Aerospace engineering, a branch of science that deals with aircrafts and spacecrafts. Here we come to an end with our glossary, and after this we are going to write down, fill in the blanks, and that will be the end of today's lecture. Right? Shall we start? Fill in the blanks. Fill in the blanks. Number 1. What is the first? Dr. Kalam was born. Dr. Kalam was born in a family of dash. So my answer is family of 5 children. There were 5 members in his family, and that is why it is said that Dr. APJ was born in a family of 5. Right? The second fill in the blank is Dr. Kalam studied dash at MIT. What did Dr. Kalam study? Number 2. Dr. Kalam studied dash at MIT. What did he study at MIT? Aerospace engineering. A-E-R-O, aero, S-P-A-C-E, space, E-N-G-I-N-E-E-R-I-N-G, aerospace engineering. Right? Number 3. Dr. Kalam became to be known as Dr. Kalam came to be known as Missile Man. missile man of India. Right? Next. Dr. Kalam was awarded dash in Dr. Kalam was awarded the dash in 1997. Bharat Ratna. Here see I have written both the names in capital letters, Bharat and Ratna, because they are names of an award and that is why they are unique names, and unique names are written in capital letters, right? The last fill in the blank. Dr. Kalam became the 11th dash of India. 11 president. President is the post and that is why it is written in capital letters, right? And here we end up with a fill in the blanks. This is the end of our session. Let's revise the fill in the blanks once again. Dr. Kalam was born in a family of 5 children. Dr. Kalam studied aerospace engineering at MIT. Dr. Kalam came to be known as the Missile Man of India. Dr. Kalam was awarded the Bharat Ratna in 1997. Dr. Kalam became the 11th President of India. So children, your homework is to complete your copies, and in our next lecture, we are going to write down the question and answers of this chapter. Now children, it's high time for you to study and focus on your studies, because our festival time is over. Our second final exams are coming shortly. There is hardly any time left for your exam, so you have to study and work hard. Okay, bye bye.